In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track corporate credit card in QuickBooks Online. If you've been paying business expenses with a corporate credit card and want a clean, reliable way to see every charge, payment, and running balance in QuickBooks Online, this walkthrough is for you. We'll set up the account properly and show you exactly where to record activity so everything lands in the right place and shows up accurately on your reports. Start by heading to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. This is the hub for your company settings and lists. From there, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the master list of every account in your books, and your credit card needs to live here so QuickBooks can track it correctly. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, click New at the top right to create a new account. Give your account a clear, descriptive name that matches your corporate card, so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might include the card issuer and the last four digits. The key choice here is the account type. Set it to credit card. This tells QuickBooks that charges increase what you owe and payments reduce it, and it enables the specialized register designed for credit cards. When you're happy with the name and type, click Save. With the account created, you'll see it listed in your Chart of Accounts. Click View Register on that account to manage the activity. The register is like a ledger for this card. Here, you can add transactions as they happen, enter charges for purchases, and record payments when you pay the card. Use the date, payee, and memo fields to keep things clear, and choose the proper category for each transaction so your expenses flow to the right place on your profit and loss. You'll also see a running balance, which helps you understand what you currently owe. Another way to keep the card accurate is to select this credit card account when you create expense transactions. When you record an expense, set the payment account to the corporate credit card you just created. That way, the expense details are captured, and the amount is automatically posted to the card's register without extra steps. A couple of quick tips as you work. Stay consistent with naming, especially if you manage multiple cards. Enter transactions promptly so the balance reflects reality, and use the memo field to note context you'll want later. This setup also positions you well to compare your records to your monthly card statement, and that's all there is to it. You've created a dedicated credit card account, and you know exactly where to add transactions or select the card during expenses to keep everything organized in QuickBooks Online.